If your dream is to grow plants like a pro, you're in luck. Plant tissue culture has been a booming field of science over the last few decades. Nowadays, its knowledge is so readily available that anyone with genuine interest can do it. In the long run, it can generate enormous financial returns. Let's set up your very own tissue culture lab. First things first, location matters. Choose a spot away from air vents, bacteria, and insect labs to avoid contamination. Now, let's break down the essentials. 1. Quarantine area. Keep it clean. Change your shoes and lab coat here to prevent bringing in contaminants. 2. Washing area. Wash and dry your plant materials and lab gear. You can clean your used lab gears also for reuse. 3. Media preparation area. Mix your culture media with tools like magnetic stirrers, pH meters, and autoclaves. 4. Transfer area. This sterile zone is where the magic happens. Install laminar flow cabinets to keep air filtered and clean, most preferably HEPA filter. 5. Culture grow room. Maintain perfect conditions for your plants with controlled temperature, humidity, and avoid direct sunlight. So this room must be out of any window or vent. And finally, data collection area. Keep track of your experiments with a reliable computer setup. With these areas in place, your tissue culture lab will be up and running smoothly, ready to grow your business and your plants. Let's get started.